Alright, that's enough dicking around. Ugh. The car doesn't even have a fucking intake right now. This is what's coming next. Fully mounted in the corner light. Bolts, everything. And this is version 1 that's already been abandoned. Version 2 is gonna look fucking wild. You can see the jank I'm running with here. Here's the controller, but I did do a really nice job. Got braided wires running across to the other side. This one's not plugged in for some reason. This is coming to the website probably 2-3 weeks. I gotta finalize the new design. It's gonna be badass, so stay tuned, subscribe, whatever. Go like Struder Made on Instagram. You'll see all the updates on there. And Ding Dong Drift. So, but as you saw, there's no intake. And we got a brand new starter motor in there. Intake's off the powder coating. And of course, I am super awesome at timing things. It's like a fucking blizzard outside. So, time to go whip it in the Corolla again. That's about it. I might be giving these away. I don't know. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. Because you guys suck at receiving giveaways. Let me know what you think. I think it's going to be pretty badass. Especially the new design. Dude, the new design, so much better. See how these are like stacked like this? Because I had to fit it on one printer. So they printed, this is like the bed. And they printed like this. The next one is 2 pieces. This is going to be a little lower. More forward, bigger. This one's going to be attached here, bigger. Carbon rod here. It's going to be badass. You'll see. I'll be posting updates on Ding Dong Drift, or on Instagram, of all this shit. So let's go do some skids in the Corolla because it looks like quite a bit of snow's coming down. All right. Alright, my favorite part of winter, watching people suffer in the snow. I used to play tennis here. Did any of your parents make you do stuff you hated? Oh, I hated tennis so much. I played it for like, shit, I don't even know, like 8 years maybe? Oh, tennis is so boring. Did you have a nice parking lot though? Can you see that over there? I don't know if you can see, but look at the street light. Look how sideways the snow is. It's completely like sideways. It's not even falling. It's just flying sideways. Alright, we're at the mall. And it looks like the plows are doing too good of a job. Everything's freaking clean. What is this? How am I supposed to have fun? Grip, you see that? It's just gripping up because it's too clean, dude. What the fuck? How is everything so clean already? Are you kidding me right now? They freaking closed it off. Time to lot that's not clean. The thing about the mall though is the mall security is tight, bro. So you gotta be in and out real quick, you know? Get some flicks in, bam, 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 and just keep moving. That's a new building. That literally wasn't here last week. Okay. There's a cop, see? Mall cop. There he is. Gotta keep moving. Dude, I think the snow stopped. What is up with these, like, winter storm warning? Oh my god, 8 inches of snow. Blah, blah, blah. It's gonna be so horrible. Everyone take shelter. And then, like, we get 3 inches and yeah. All the roads are clean. This wasn't even bad. Fucking stupid. This is another episode of Marty rants about random shit no one cares about. I don't get it. I just drove across the bridge and now it's a blizzard again. So I guess it's still snowing. See, this is the type of conditions I expect when I see winter storm warning. So I guess it doesn't snow over there. Like 10 minutes back. Come on, Mr. Truck. Bro, are you serious right now? Holy shit, look at the smoke. Bro, there's something wrong with your truck. You're burning oil. I mean, it's a Ford, so it makes sense. Damn, dude, look at these freaking roads. Woo! Still too much grip. I love these tires. Get yourself some Hakas, man. Fuck them Bridgestone Blizzaks. This is where it's at. Nokian Hakkapeliitta R3. Best snow tires in the world. They're expensive, yeah. That's why I got like 195, 65, 16 because they were the absolute cheapest ones, but they were still the right size for my car so that the speed would read correctly. But yeah, absolutely love these tires, dude. Wish I had an affiliate link. Nokian, sponsor me. Dude, Nokian needs to make a drift tire. How sick would that be? Dude, this is like light speed. No, freaking straight light speed. Star Wars, dude. Look at this. Light speed. Oh, I'm in the middle of the road. Am I really that far in the middle of the road? Oh my god, I can't even see the road. Where am I? Light speed. Fuck you. No! Hold on. I want to put the 360 camera on the windshield. Let's do it. Sick ass light speed shit. Alright, let's hope this shit doesn't fall off. It's on the hood. Seems to be sturdy. Alright, let's do it. That the camera's on the hood. it's like a fucking unicorn. I really hope it doesn't fall off, because that would suck ass. I guess I can go down this way a little bit. Yo, if this falls off, this is gonna suck. But dude, fucking light speed. Ooh, light speed! Looks so sick. Dude, this is gonna be an insane shot. Oh god, please don't fall off. Please. Please don't fall off. This is so sketchy. It's a triple suction cup, but the hood was wet. I cleaned it off as best as I could. Dude, this is so dope. Oh my god, this is gonna look so freaking sick. got the One X2 on the front there. It's my new favorite 360 camera. And then right now I'm recording with the One R here inside with the 1-inch sensor. This is fucking wild. I wonder if I can make it all the way home like this. I'm not gonna risk it. There's gonna be too many cars. I don't want the camera to fall off and then just get run over by some car. Okay. I'm gonna go take it off because this is way too sketchy. I mean, it seems to be holding on though, so. Yeah, that's a whole bucket of sketch. I wonder if I can get a cool photo. Dude, the lenses are somehow completely clean. I don't understand how, but yeah, they're completely clean somehow. And I just heard a bunch of honking over there. So I'm gonna go see what's going on over there. Is this what? What's going on? This dude's just standing here. I guess people are honking at him because he's just standing there. What are you doing, guy? Whoa. Someone's got bald tires, you see that? He can't move, look at him. Oh, poor guy. He's in this little LS. I think that's a Lexus LS. And, it's rear-wheel drive, and this motherfucker just keeps spinning out. Dude, that's hilarious. Look, he can't make it up the hill. Oh, that's fucking hilarious, dude. Oh, dude, no, I want to keep watching. Ah, it's fine, I want to watch. He's waving me along. Look at him. Oh, dude, come on. Fucking Tokyo Drift, let's go. Initial D. Initial D. That's hilarious, dude. This guy does not skid. Damn, bro. Should get some snow tires, guy. What an idiot, dude. Oh, God. Man, in the SC, this would be a fucking nightmare. Those tires I got for the SC are not great at all, dude. They suck. Yokohama Ice Guard, trash. I mean, they're pretty old, so maybe that's why. Yeah, that's probably fine. But I need to get some Hakas for the SC next winter, dude. 'Cause these tires, amazing, amazing. Is there anybody coming? I can't see. My fucking windows are completely snowed over. I have a feeling this dude in his Dodge Charger is gonna struggle. I want to watch. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, look at him. Yeah, he's sideways. The fucking van though. The truck just took off. Not bad, not bad. He handled it pretty well. Alright, ding dongs, that's gonna wrap up this one. Had a little fun in the Rolla. Sorry there's no SC content today besides the Canards, but promise next week I'll have the intake done. Well, actually, I don't promise. I don't make promises. I'll try to get it done, so engine will be done. That will be sick. So, yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Subscribe, go follow all the medias, and I'll see you next week. Love the snow? Do you love the snow, Teddy? Do you love the snow? Yes. Oh, you got the ball. That's the first time you picked it up. Good boy. Come on, get the ball. Get it. Get it. Come on, get it. Get the ball. Get the ball. Go get it. You having fun? Yeah? You having fun? Alright, Teddy. Say bye to the ding dongs. Say bye, ding dongs. Say bye. Bye.
Do you have your passport?